Okay, this is a fun science experiment for mom and kids because I get cold brew coffee out of the deal. I've got 1 cup of my beans, ground beans. I'm going to do 2 cups of water. This is going to make a double concentrate. 1 more cup of water. And then I'll cover it up and I'm going to let it steep for, 18 to 24 hours. So this one will be a bit. Give it a stir. All right, I'm just gonna throw some saran wrap over that. Let it sit. All right, we're gonna make what, Rosie? Fossils. Okay, so we got the coffee grounds, and I'm gonna have you dump in all that salt.
Over?
That's a lot
Yeah.
of salt.
All right, in goes the salt. Give that a stir.
What?
Oz, can you grab a cup of flour? A measuring cup?
Is that it?
Yep. We're gonna use our craft flour. Ugh. All right, I'm just gonna put a little bit of coffee in there to get that stirring. All right, so in goes the flour.
That's a lot.
Oh, don't spill it.
So if you want the recipe, it was Good Housekeeping Science Experiments. You can find it there. Wow, Bear, you're doing it.
Is he finding something?
We're getting there.
I will give it to you, but I'm not giving it to you.
Okay, watch out there. Watch out, I'm gonna see how it's coming here. Yeah, you're gonna get to have some. Just a minute here. Maybe you could find a round cookie cutter. I think we have a bone. That would be a cool fossil.
Money.
All right, so
Ooh,
let's
that
just
was
get this
cool.
out here.
Oh, can I say tiny?
So do we have to find more things than just
Well, I think Oswald thinks that there might have been like Lego men back in the day that we need to preserve. Watch her. All right, so let's just roll. Here, let's flatten this down to our desired. Do you like touching it, Bear?
Yeah.
Me too.
Okay, get it to the desired flat. You want to touch it, Rosie, too?
Touch it? Yeah. It's like gushy.
But we probably don't want it quite that
Just
back
like
yet.
gush.
Why not that fast?
We go find some shells.
Yeah, we don't want it to snap. So I don't know, that might be good. Okay, so then, once you
Look
get
at
them
me
out,
eat these.
put them here and then keep rolling it flat and doing that. The leftovers.
These. Mom. They eat this, Mom. Mom, do we put anything? Should we go get something else, or just that's fine? Or more things?
You get whatever you want.
If you want to use a different cookie cutter, like a bone, I thought would be cool. Whatever you like.
Open more down. What are you putting in?
Lego guy. Wow, Bear, you made one.
That's awesome.
So you do what you want to do.
I want the Lego guy.
On the way there, Bear, for a bear circle. What are you gonna? We have shells in the bathroom. You can push a shell.
It's an airplane. No, we're not having an airplane.
Oh, whoa! Bear's got another one right there.
Ha.
All right.
Can I make one?
Yeah, you can turn that off and make one.
I want a star. There's a star.
Okay. Okay.
It's in my shade. In my shade.
That feels wonderful.
Look, water.